Hi, I'm Dr. Rhonda Anderson, also known as the Talent Architect. Today I want to talk to you today about layoffs. Layoffs are tough. They affect morale, disrupt team dynamics, and leave everyone else in the organization feeling uncertain. But as a manager, it is your job to lead your team through this challenging time. So today I want to talk to you about 3 quick tips to help you recalibrate your team towards success. So let's go. Tip number 1, you want to reestablish trust and transparency. You want to address the elephant in the room, acknowledge the challenges, but you also want to point your team towards a brighter future for the organization. Tip number 2, you want to prioritize one-to-one connections. Each team member will be processing the layoffs in a different manner. You want to make sure that you check in with them regularly, listen to their concerns, and provide support wherever you can. Tip number 3, you want to focus on team resilience. You need to be empowering your team, driving innovation and collaboration so that everyone see that they have a stake in the overall success of the team. Remember, tough times can turn out to be a great learning opportunity for you as a manager. So recalibrate, reconnect, and lead your team towards success.